Hey Geek, so maybe you're seeing a lot of these types of videos, especially here on YouTube, where people are doing this. They have their microphone, this wireless microphone, by the way, and they have it right here. They're holding this small microphone right here. Or maybe they'll have it on something like this. This is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, by the way. This is DJI Mic 2 wireless. And today I'm going to do a non-scientific test on how this sounds because at least for me, I like to have my mic right here, and the DJI mics come with a magnet. So that makes it easy for me. And so I get it that if you have the mic closer to you, it is going to sound better. But today I want to see how much better because for me, this is kind of annoying. I get it, but it's annoying. I just don't like to be holding my mic as I'm talking. I mean, I like to be hands-free. But as you can tell, I do have it right next to me right now. So this is how things sound whenever I'm talking to the mic. And as I showed you earlier, this is how it sounds if I'm using it like this, which is easier to hold, especially if you're doing interview style videos where you're talking and then you have the other person talking to it. So let's see how this sounds whenever I have this clipped on, and you let me know how much of a difference this makes, or if it's any better, worse, the same, no different. Let's go ahead and find out. Okay, so now I have my microphone clipped on, and this is how I think most people would typically use these, especially if you're vlogging and just walking around, and this is just a lot more convenient. Now, obviously, this one is bigger than my DJI Mic Mini, so typically I'll be using this one, but I just wanted to show you this. And also this one is a better mic, and I do like the quality on this one, just slightly better than I do the Mic Mini, although both of these are great microphones. So this is how things sound, but let me show you how it sounds whenever I use the magnet, because normally I don't like my mic to show, and this is bigger than my Mic Mini. It does work better with my Mic Mini, but let me go ahead and put the magnet on and you let me know how it sounds. Okay, so now I have the mic on the inside right here and I have the magnet on the outside. And this is typically how I like to shoot my videos with the DJI wireless mics. I just like to use the magnet and then have it inside my shirt. And with the Mic Mini, it works a lot better because it's smaller and it doesn't have that whole DJI branding, at least not on both sides. So there is DJI branding here, but on the other side, there is no branding. Whereas on this one, there's branding on both sides. So this is the difference between the two of having it inside my shirt. I had it outside clip, and then I had it this way, which is, I guess, the new style of using it. So you let me know how this sounds. When I first saw this, it was weird, but I kind of get it. But I wanted to see what you think. Is this better? Is it worth talking to your voice right here? All right, leave all your thoughts below. And if you did want to see more of my gear review videos, I do have an entire playlist on it. I'll leave that in the description area below. And if you did want to see my video on this mic, the DJI Mic Mini, I will leave that in the description area below and up here somewhere.